Once again, thanks for tuning in. Holly Shields here for Calcone Media. Bitcoin has been the star of the cryptocurrency realm, with all eyes fixed on the price movements of the internet's favorite coin. The previous year has been exceptional for Bitcoin, owing to some major developments impacting its prices. Despite the pandemic wreaking havoc in the financial markets over the year 2020, the cryptocurrency arena has remained largely unaffected, with prices even soaring to unprecedented levels during the year. And Bitcoin has been no stranger to this price rally and has been at the center of it all. In fact, the commotion observed in the crypto space has been mostly about Bitcoin. Over the past 1 year, the coin's prices have skyrocketed 315%. So your $100 US investment a year ago would be about $415 now. Was this because the previous year was jam-packed with historic events? Well, we know the year 2020 will be remembered for more reasons than just one. However, for Bitcoin, both 2020 and the following year of 2021 have been significant. When the central banks across the globe resorted to lowering interest rates in early last year, Bitcoin was hailed as a safety net against interest-based investments. In fact, many investors turned to Bitcoin as fears of investment losses gripped equity and bond markets. Things shaped up further when institutional investors jumped on the bandwagon as well, solidifying the crypto's reputation as a serious investment option. On top of that, public companies started converting their cash treasuries into cryptocurrencies, adding more credibility to their value. In October of 2020, Bitcoin gained more mainstream attention as PayPal started allowing its customers to trade in the cryptocurrency. Due to its growing acceptance, Bitcoin adapted to a more professional environment and came a long way from its initial dubious stages of being used on the dark web. As if these developments were not enough, US-based automaker Tesla also put in $1.5 billion worth of investment into the cryptocurrency. Only adding to this, Tesla's CEO Elon Musk shook the markets with his statements about the possibility of accepting the cryptocurrency as a form of payment. Recently, Bitcoin again made headlines as the Central American country of El Salvador made its legal tender. Though a major price dip followed the announcement, it created a ripple in the market, where some countries also expressed their desire to follow El Salvador. Talks about Bitcoin ETFs are also currently in progress. The bottom line is that due to the extreme volatile nature of the cryptocurrency world, countries continue to tread carefully on the decision of making it a legal tender. El Salvador's population has protested the government's move, stating the lack of proper internet facilities for the Bitcoin trade as the reason. Therefore, after an interesting journey over the last year, the question arises on where ongoing trends can take Bitcoin. Even as experts cite high market volatility as a cause for concern, support continues to vouch for the crypto's viability and growing strength. Now that you're up to speed, check out some of our other videos to boost your financial IQ. And if you like this info, please sub to our channel and hit that bell icon. For regular updates, head over to our website at calconemedia.com. This has been Holly Shields for Calcone Media.